This is how you can fix the Shopify error. This store cannot accept payments right now. So step one is you're going to check Shopify payments. So you're going to head over to your settings once you log in. And then from here, you're going to head to payments. Now from here, make sure a payment provider is active. So as you can see here, I have my supported payment methods and I have a payment provider active. Now, step two is you're going to verify your account. Sometimes this error happens if you didn't complete Shopify payments verification. So you're going to have to upload your ID, your bank information, or required docs. So make sure to just to get over all of the payment methods that you have. So as you can see here, I haven't completed my PayPal account setup, so I cannot start receiving payouts from PayPal just yet. So make sure that you can complete this setup before you head over to your store. Now, step three is you're going to check your billing status. Now, from your settings, you're going to click on the billing from the left side panel and then make sure your Shopify subscription is paid and active. So as you can see here, I still have my I have it very much active. Now, step four is you're going to use another provider. If Shopify payments isn't available in your country, activate PayPal or another payment gateway under settings. And then again, once again, we're going to head back to payments and then make sure that you can have or you have another provider that you can connect here, just so that just an emergency if your supported one isn't available. Now, step five is you're going to contact support. So if payments are still blocked, you can contact Shopify support for account specific issues. And that's it. That is how you can fix Shopify error. This store cannot accept payments right now. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.